Don't stop me now, I'm having such a good time, I'm having a ball. Bohemian Rhapsody. I went to see it on Monday of this week actually, in the cheap £4.50 tickets at Devizes Cinema. Absolutely fucking superb. Some of my friends said, oh, it looks shit, that does, it looks fucking shit. Really? 8.4 on IMDb, right? That's a high score. Trust me, if you like Queen, you're gonna love it. If you don't really know much about Queen, you may not understand it, yeah? But if you like Queen, fucking hell, it's a good movie. It's a really good movie. And there aren't many movies, right, that get me so like that I'm going fuck off at the screen at certain characters who are obviously not very nice characters and probably doing something that pisses off the band, yeah? And I'm like, fuck off! I felt like I was an American in an American cinema, because they all shout and go yay and clap and at the fucking screen. But I was shouting at the bloody screen. I was going fuck off like that and stuff at the screen. It was that good. It got me going that much. It was that good, really. It is a good movie, and I'd be very surprised if you didn't like it. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you about Facebook. Facebook, on my phone, I did swear I was never going to put it back on my fucking phone. I put it back on my phone anyway, because of all this business about them spying on you. Remember, they had to sort of say whether you could opt out. You could opt out of being spied on, and they'd have to really honour the opt out of being spied on. But they said, but the problem is, if we're not allowed to spy on you, then we don't know how to send you adverts, because we don't know which adverts to send you, and we don't know what to send you that you like, that you buy, things that you buy we don't know about you, so we don't know what to send you. Yeah, really, really, yeah. So guess what, right? Now it sends me loads of things, right, that I'm not interested in, which is fine, because I don't want them making money out of sending me any adverts, right? Because I personally don't think they deserve the money from the fucking adverts, because when we are the content creators putting stuff up on Facebook, yeah, and they put adverts down the side, yeah, they don't give us any money off those fucking adverts. They don't pay us for that, yeah. We don't get a fucking penny out of that money, yeah. And on top of that, to make it even fucking nastier, right, I run a channel, right? I'm an admin on a channel that was started by somebody else, admittedly, Andrew Perker, and he took it to 180,000 people now subscribe to that channel. But do you think if I post something on that channel, if I post something there for the 180,000 people that want to see it, do you think they get to see it? No. No, they don't get to see it. They don't get to see that. Why? Why don't they get to see that? Because I'm not paying Facebook. I'm not paying them money. I'm not fucking paying them money to get out to those 180,000 people. Because as far as Facebook is concerned, everyone who posts on Facebook is a business. We're all companies. We're all private limited companies, and we're all advertising. And what we're using that Facebook for is to advertise our products, right? So people like me with a private interest, who are interested in things like crop circles, yeah, and are providing this free of charge, all this information free of charge. No. We're providing adverts, so we should pay Facebook to reach our subscribers. We should be paying for that. Really? No, that's not gonna fucking happen. Do you give me any money from the fucking adverts you put down the side of the fucking page on my stuff? No. And you think I'm gonna fucking pay you to just put information out for the public? Are you insane? But that's the way it works. That's the way it works. So, yeah, fuck Facebook. I am paying a penny. Yeah.